What are you reading? What are you reading? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are they all the same? Are they all the same? তুমি কি সাঁতার কাটতে পারো? Are you able to swim? Are you an only child? Are you an only child? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? তুমিও কি যাচ্ছ? Are you going to? Can you cook? Can you cook? Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Are you sleeping, Tom? Are you sleeping, Tom? Are you studying English? Are you studying English? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? Are you sure of your answer? Are you sure of your answer? Are you writing a letter? Are you writing a letter? Sam, what are you doing? Sam, what are you doing? What are the symptoms? What are the symptoms? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to see? What are you going to see? What are you staring at? What are you staring at? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What are you two doing? What are you two doing? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? Where are the showers? Where are the showers? Where are your manners? Where are your manners? Who do you think you were? Who do you think you were? Whose shoes are those? Whose shoes are those? Why are you angry with him? Why are you angry with him? Why are you busy today? Why are you busy today? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? Are you a Japanese citizen? Are you a Japanese citizen? Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? Are you happy in your house? Are you happy in your house? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Are you free on Tuesday? Are you free on Tuesday? Are you going to sing here? Are you going to sing here? Are you going to stay long? Are you going to stay long? Are you losing your temper? Are you losing your temper? Are you old enough to vote? Are you old enough to vote? Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.